Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're gonna know about ratios. The ratio is a way to show a relation or compare two numbers or amounts, typically expressed as the quotient of one divided by the other. For example, when painting a wall light blue, the color is made by mixing blue and white. You add 4 kilograms white to 7 kilograms blue. So we say that the ratio between white to blue is 4 to 7. Or the ratio between blue to white is 7 to 4. It's clear that the order is important. This means that for each 7 parts of blue, you need 4 parts of white. Let's apply the first part of the definition of the ratio to this case. Here, there is a relation between two amounts. The first amount is the weight of the blue paint, and the second amount is the weight of the white paint. The relation is that whenever you have 7 kilograms of the blue, that means you need 4 kilograms of the white. Or if you have 14 kilograms of the blue, then you need 8 kilograms of the white. And so on with this pattern. Ratio can be written in different forms. In the last form, the ratio looks like a fraction. Fraction and ratio simply express the concept of dividing one number by another. The ratio has the same properties of the fraction as reduction, simplifying, and comparison. The difference is that the ratio represents a relationship pattern between two amounts or numbers, while the fraction means a numerical quantity or a single number. For example, if we have one pizza for 4 people, so the ratio between the number of pizzas to the number of people is 1 to 4. Or it can be written as 1 over 4. This is a relation or a comparison of two amounts, pizzas and people. This explains the second part of the definition of the ratio, as the relation or the comparison is expressed as the quotient of one amount divided by the other. On the other hand, the share of each person is expressed as a fraction, which is 1/4, and this is a single number. In the previous example, the ratio of one pizza for 4 people is the same as 2 for 8, or 3 for 12. All of them are equivalent ratios, 1/4 being the simplest form. Back to the first example of the painting. The ratio has no unit, because it's a comparison of two amounts that have the same units, which are kilograms, expressing the weight of each color. What if the units are different? The ratio has a unit in this case. There is a form of ratio that's called a rate. The rate is a ratio that has two amounts with different measuring units. It usually involves a period of time, and it has a unit. For example, if a car travels 100 kilometers in 1 hour, so the rate equals 100 kilometers per hour. And as you know, 100 over 1 just means 100. Usually the rate is composed of one number, and this means that the denominator is 1. Kilometers per hour is the unit of the rate. The rate can also be written like this. And that's it. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and never stop learning.